We could see this. We've just come up the river one stop. The metro. We could have come on the metro.
Yeah. I don't know whether it was working. I didn't see many people going in and out of the state.
No, they did. It wasn't. I've got news for you. They're dead at this point. Holy crap!
Yeah.
Where is he?
Okay, come from this way.
Oh, we got express entry. Lovely.
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक
बाकी क्या नाम साथ में
सर मेरे साथ में बैग नहीं
white marble, and all the sandstone has been quarried locally. And this is also one UNESCO given to our people. We have 3 heritage stars.
Right, Minister. Come on.
Đi chị ghê. So we're going to the hotel now.
So to avoid accident, that time. So that's not, does not get.
गरम गरम ऑयल तो सुनो खाली
Now, please come in the shed, man. Please come in the shed. Please come in the shed.
जय माता दा, जय माता दी।
Took my tripod off me again.
Okay, now we're standing here. This is one of the best fort in India. We call the Red Fort, and we call the Agra Fort also. But the Red Fort, we have two Red Fort in India. One is the Agra, second one in Delhi. So Delhi is a new one, and Agra Fort is the old one. Why? Why? Because the Agra Red Fort established by the king in 12th century, and the Red Fort in Delhi, the made by the 17th century by the Mughal king. Okay, in Red Fort that time is very well-known fort because most of the king also ruled from India, from Agra. Okay, so now the Red Fort only for 20% open only for the public, 75% acquired by the government of India and Indian Army, because after the independence most of the part acquired by the Indian Army. So now only open for 25% for tourists, 75% for Indian Army, ma'am and sir. You have seen two gates also when we enter. You have seen that this one gate is very curved gate. Do you know why? Because elephant doesn't come inside. Because that time the very turn and curved gate, it's hard to elephant to force broken this door also that time. And now we're standing here. This place also very well-known place because we also use hall. Have you seen the upside? All our halls. That time, the suppose enemy enter in this area, the king always put inside the oil, hot oils, and hot oils just come out. And that time they also push round stones also. Suppose any enemies enter this area and you don't have a soldiers, you have some soldiers too. You also push some stones, round stones, so they match up everything. And that time, suppose you are sleeping inside, you don't know who will enter in this side area because they make also echo sound. Just have a look. At night time, because now so many people also here. At night time, no one people here when you use the clapping. That means you play the clapping here. You heard the clapping the inside the main room of king. That's the reason the security purpose. This fort is one of the best fort. They all Hindu kings and Mughal kings also. But the Mughal kings also changed the capital in 16th century from Agra to Delhi. Yeah, so when we are going to inside, so many courtyards also. First I explain something courtyard, after that give a full time because we come back too fast here. Okay, I just have a look. That time, suppose any horse is walk here, they make a noise also. So at night time they make a noise easily. Suppose you are king, easily king is slept in the room, they find out who won't enter in this area. Okay, and that time they also pour the oil, the hot oil from the upside the halls also. Okay, but they start in 12th century, but work is going on regularly for 16th to 17th century. After 17th century, they left the Agra fort and they stabilized new fort in Delhi. We call the second one Red Fort in Delhi also. Okay, so now we are going to inside.
So the Mughal kings used to ride on horses and camels. So all the horses and camels used to be kept over there, behind that gate. You can see. So that is the stable of capturing the animal.
Now we're standing here. This is a
Here also you can
main courtyard of this palace, because just have a look your back off, they all are for other part of the fort, but they all are acquired by and captured by the Indian Army. Okay, so this is the main courtyard of this fort. On your right side, they all are army area that time for the army and horse stables. And my back off, you have seen your front, they all are palace of royal family. Because when we are going to inside, I will show you one king room also, one library also, one temple also. Okay, and just have a look. This one is a stone, yellow one stone. This is a bathtub that time. The Shah Jahan took a bath inside, and Jahangir also took a bath inside. Because that time they also used rose water, fenugreek seed, everything inside, and they feel cool and fragrance also. They also use perfumes also and scent also. We call the scent because that time we don't have a perfumes. That time we have a scent. Okay. So and look at the all are building made by the red sandstone. That's the reason we call red fort. And red fort, there's no need to color. There's no need to maintain, because the building started in 12th century but look like it's same now 21st century. So we don't need to repair. We don't need to clean up. Why? Because they use only red fort. Because sometimes the wall is fall down. That time we repair it. Otherwise, no need to repair anything. Okay. So now we are going to inside. You want to take pictures? Come with me. Take a picture. And this is a bathtub. This is a bathtub.
You want to, as you say, something for this guy?
चलो आप तो ले चलो अंदर अब अंदर ले चलो
Step. Oh my God.
Standing here, this one is the bedroom of the king that time, and they all are hand carving work, and they also influence the Hindu architect, because that time they all are Mughal empire, they belong to Muslim religions, but they also inspired from Hindu architect. Why I am calling Hindu architect? Just have a look, the trunk of elephant, the lotus flower, they all are part of the Hindu architecture. But look at, they all are one piece of the stone and very nice carving, the hand carving. This is the bedroom of the king. Okay? On your background, this is the guest house. Excuse me. On my background is the guest house. On your left side is the temple also. It's a temple. Because the third queen of the king, also she is belong to the Hindu religions, and she always prays the god and goddesses. That's the reason the king also made a special temple for third queens also. On your right side, this is the library on the right side. That time. Now, no library. Now it's empty. Okay? So now we are going to inside. And please be aware because inside the uneven stairs and uneven floor also. Okay? Please mind your step.
From Hindu temple like elephant trunks. Elephant trunks. All copied from the Hindu temple.
Okay, now we're standing here. This is another one courtyard for the another king. Because Shah Jahan is very well known king. He was built Taj Mahal. Okay? Look at that time they also used the fountain. Because they made a special water tank the upside. And they got the water from the river and put inside the water tank. And they always make it gravity. And the flow of water also there with it. I'm talking about in 12th century, I'm talking about in 14th century. That time we didn't have electricity. We didn't have any motors. So people always make this special thing by on gravity, by on the mind. Okay? But this is also part of the royal family. Now we are, bless you. Now we are going to inside for ladies' apartments also. Okay? And just have a look. In here the Taj Mahal also.
बेटा वाइट वाइट में ताजमहल है ताजमहल है आप मैडम को बताऊंगा ताजमहल देखो
Don't worry, I will show you Taj Mahal from inside.
ताजमहल के इधर खड़े हो ना
Wow.
Hurry up, Stu. He's going to show us from inside.
Quality of rain absorb the heat, become cold, and when you make fire, it becomes hot. So these all make
Okay.
ভালো দেখা যায়
Both are very close to the father also. That's the reason the father also made a special room and a special courtyard for the daughters also. That time they all are made by the gold upside. But East India Company also took everything from here, and after that the government of India they used for the bronze. But that time they all are gold and diamond. Okay? She also lived here, ma'am.
Who's that lived here?
Mumtaz, the one that Taj Mahal
Oh,
is
right,
built
yeah,
for.
yeah. Wow.
Okay, now I'm standing here. Look at on your left side. They all are for ladies' courtyard. Means only for concubine ladies. Because they, more than 100 girls and ladies already live inside. Because the king always kept every night 7 girls. Different girls also. 7 to 9 girls every day. Change the girls. But that time they kidnapped and girls also, and they also given to us. In this courtyard, no one man allowed. Only eunuch and king and all the ladies is there. And this place on your right side we call Khas Mahal, means only VIP people is allowed to come here and organize the VIP parties. At that time the fountain also, I'm talking about 16th century, fountain also.
This is an elephant shop, right?
And the other side of this building they also second daughter rooms, Jahan Ara rooms. And on the other side they also show very beautiful room, the room of the king. Okay, so now what the time here was 12:37. You have 5 minutes sufficient for the photograph? Yeah, 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
5 or 10?
What good for you? 5 is sufficient? 10. Okay. 5. Okay.
7.
5. Okay, 5. Okay, you have a 5 minutes. You wandering around, you take pictures, and we will meet again. And after that, we exit from here. Okay. This is
Here?
yes, we will meet here.
Okay.
We will meet here at this point.
It's not a GoPro.
যেখানে শাহজাহানকে বন্দি করে রাখছিল সেটাও দেখা
Is he your group leader? Is that your group leader? Oh, I'm gonna get stuck. I'm gonna get stuck. I'm gonna get stuck. Alright. It's alright, it's alright.
आ जाइए।
There's an upstairs bit, but that big group's just gone up, so you'll never make it up and down.
এরকম এইটা আছে না উপরে সিনারি রাখলে এরকম সেম স্পেস
আছে।
এরকম সেম একটা এরকম করে দিন এটা উপর থেকে
All these things we are going to see one by one. But the beauty is here when you are looking at the designs of the floor. Seems like carpet
হ্যাঁ আপনারা জানবেন এই বেশি দাম
और सड़ी मच्छी
এখনো বললে ওরা যাবে ওরা পয়সা এখনো অনলাইন চলে যাবে পুরি গেছে ওই লোকটা এই আমাকে আপডাউন ভাড়া করে চলে হয়ে গেছে কেমন কারণে আমরা বলছি আধা ঘন্টা মতো বসি
The job which is not working anymore, and you see,
वाटर बोर्ड है नहीं
Thank you.
सर नया वैसे आज
टिकट है सर